Dito. Clockwise tayo. Yeah, kasi it's Halloween. Yeah, the
Oh wait. This is what I brought home, right? Yung purple. At
Yeah.
yung ito.
Yeah, bibingka.
Ito yung bibingka at yung... Ay, yan na! Hindi ko nakita ko to.
The waffles.
Yeah. Oh, na, I know. Masarap to. This is good.
Diba?
I like this cake.
The blueberry one.
Yeah, the blueberry one's good. What's up?
Chow muesli. It's an egg.
Mm.
Shabu shabu.
Mm.
Dito tayo. Dito sa kabila.
Dumami ng tao.
So good. Wala condiments. Mga ihaw-ihaw ate Lana.
Mm. That's what I got. That's good.
Already.
I like that one.
ভাই একটা দিয়ে দেন না ভাই একটা দিয়ে দেন
Ano na dito? Ano dito? The nachos. Yeah, the nachos. Paella.
Oh, paella. Oh, mommy likes that.
Paella. Oh, ate Lana. This one.
Oh, yeah.
Has the noodles.
I would get this, but we literally just ate shrimp. That was good.
We have the fruit juice.
Ano yan?
Dinuguan.
Oh,
No,
I
this
can't.
one is palabo.
Hindi
Yeah.
hindi ko pwede dyan.
Hindi ka pwede dyan. This one is nilaga.
Ah, nilaga ba to?
Yeah. This is good.
Ah! Ay, ito po yung...
Yeah,
ah,
yeah.
yung ampalaya.
Yeah.
Yung caramelito ko hindi.
Yeah, I know.
Parang ba?
No, hindi mo lang nakita.
My favorite. I like the mixed lettuce. I like that one. And then with the Caesar dressing.
turnips.
and the fruit.
Dito naman, the coffee station. And the soda.
Bread with tomato.
They have beers. Ayan na. Dito na tayo ulit. And we arrived. Ayan na ulit. Tapos dun sa kabila, there's a bar.